Understanding fuselage. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting word you might have come across but may not fully understand: fuselage. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of what it means and how to use it. The word fuselage might sound fancy, but its meaning is straightforward. The fuselage is the main body of an aircraft. It's the central structure that houses the passengers, crew, and cargo. Think of it as the main tube, or body, of an airplane, without the wings, tail, or engines attached. While learning a word, it's often helpful to know its origin. Fuselage is derived from the French word fuselet, which means spindle-shaped. This makes sense since the main body of most aircrafts is elongated and tapers at both ends, resembling the shape of a spindle. To master any vocabulary word, it's essential to know how to use it in context. Here are some example sentences. 1. The fuselage of the airplane was painted with vibrant colors. 2. After the crash, the aircraft's fuselage was heavily damaged. 3. Engineers are working on a new fuselage design to make planes more fuel efficient. There you have it. The word fuselage refers to the main body of an aircraft. It's an interesting term rooted in the French language and can be quite useful when discussing aviation topics. We hope this explainer helps you confidently use and understand the word. Keep soaring high in your language learning journey.